What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial video, so get right into it. So I got my Gele. This is a natural Gele I'm using, and I folded it into two and started making my pleats. I got myself an elastic band, a black one, but you can always get one that's same color as your Gele or a black one. So right after doing that, you tie the Gele with your elastic band and you make sure it's tight and secure because you're going to need that to put on your head. After you've done that, you get like a hand looking Gele and you open it up and you place it right on your head. So the fan bit on the top can be on anywhere. It can be in the center, it can be on the side, left, right, whichever way you prefer, but I was trying to make it on the center. So put it in the center and I just followed my Gele around, straighten it up, give myself a bit of pleats because I like pleats on my Gele, so why not? You can see I was just getting the pleats together and making it as neat as possible, and then I did the same on the other side, folded it in and then just carried on the pleats that was already there. I wasn't creating anything new, I was just following up what was already on the Gele, and then I turned around and tied it at the back to secure it firmly because Jesus is my firm foundation. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I know I can stand secure. Jesus, you're my... So I got the other hand and twisted it and just brought it around to the top and I pinned it down. Got myself pin and I pinned it down. Right, as you can see, just grab yourself the pin. Make sure it's the one that doesn't have the bubble on the top, because that way it just disguises into the Gele. It doesn't stand out, it's not obvious, and it's seamless. And I repeated the same step on the other side. Twisted the leftover Gele. Thank God I saw that. My hair was getting caught with the Gele. Did the same thing and then got myself a pin as well to secure it on the other side. After I did that, I came around to the front, put all of my, and pulled it to make sure it was nice, tight and secure. You know, the Gele is not gonna move, baby. You want it to stay all night. So when you are gbessing, when you are skilling, when you are twerking, no, the Gele would not move. And as you can see, the black elastic band is not showing. It's not too obvious, it's seamless, and it's almost like just like a shadow into the Gele tying. So I was just trying to figure out how I wanted this to stand, like the way I wanted it to stay. I was just like fiddling around and eventually ended with this. I just kept, I did that for this side, did the same step for the other side, and that was that, to be honest. And like I said, you can wear it however you wish, on the side or in the middle or left or right, whichever way you want, or whichever that you see that suits you best. Gele is about what suits your face. It's not about what everyone is wearing or what is in town. It's about actually what really suits your face. So if you feel like it will suit you more on the side, then yeah, go for it. Yeah, keep watching, guys. So this is the final look of this particular style. Guys, what do you think? I think it's nice and cute and different and unique, stylish, sassy. It's giving rich auntie, it's giving I'm unique, it's giving I'm gonna stand out at my party. So yeah guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I easy actions upload. Hold up, don't go yet. You thought it was over. No, so I tried something different before ending the video, and it turned out really nice and cute. So if you thought that style wasn't for you, then you can always just switch it up, or you can switch it up in the middle of the party and they'll be like, "Oh, you changed up your Gele. You went to tie something different, two styles at one party. How unique is that?" So this is something different you can do. Literally just I took the end and then I just spinned it round, and that's all I did to achieve this look. It was nothing different, nothing like difficult. Yeah, just that, and then pin it to secure it, and it was really cute. It was giving ascot. Yes, that's the word. Yeah, ascot Gele. So yeah guys, this is the end now, and this is officially the end of this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. If you're new to my channel, I do tutorial videos, vlog, fun videos and live talk. So if that's up your alley and that's definitely what you're looking for, stay tuned and become one of us.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am